Hi friends, in this video I'll be unboxing and showing Samsung front load washing machine cover. Before buying a cover, we have to check the back side of the washing machine and identify the location of inlet and outlet pipes and electric wire. Front side of this cover is transparent and it has a zip lock. On back side we can see two holes. Via these two holes we can take inlet and outlet pipes and electric wire outside. Let me put this cover on top of this Samsung front load washing machine, so we can put it like this. Let me lock the front side using provided zip lock. See, let me check the back side. As I said, on back side we can see two holes. Via these two holes we can take inlet and outlet pipes and electric wire outside. So this is the final setup. You can see this way we can take electric wire outside, then inlet pipe, below we can see the outlet pipe. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. As I said, before buying this cover, please check the back side of your washing machine and identify the location of pipes and electric wire.